It is a 2015, folks. Kia Forte LX. Lots of bells and whistles here. Yep, got the eyebrow LED lights. Like new tires. USB line in. Auxiliary port. Streaming audio. Satellite radio. Yep. Hands-free Bluetooth calling. Windows locks, tilt, cruise, CD. Almost 40 miles to a gallon. Super nice car, folks. Service contract included. 3 months, 4,500 miles over the driveline. Only 60,000 miles. Guaranteed credit approval. Come on. $795 starting down on a 2015 with bad credit, no credit. Folks, let's take another walk around. 2 current paycheck stubs, bank statement if you have one, hour of your time, and you'll roll out 2015 Kia Forte LX starting at $795 down. DasCleveland.com.